everyone, welcome back to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope that you're all doing well and staying safe. I try to upload videos on a weekly basis. However, I have a full-time job at home, and from time to time I work on a couple of projects that are not related to YouTube. For the time being, producing YouTube videos is only a hobby, and there are times when I may need to skip uploading for a week or two. So be sure to click on your notification bell to be alerted when I upload a new video. A few people have messaged me directly and mentioned that they're not familiar with how to interact with my videos. Today, I'll be explaining the main features of YouTube and the basic ways in which you can interact with my channel or any other channel. I am known as a YouTube creator. Between writing scripts, filming, and editing, I spend approximately 20 hours per week when producing a video. But when I ask you to subscribe to my channel, I am not asking you for money. There are no sign-up fees, no monthly fees, or no annual fees for you to subscribe to any channel. It is absolutely free. YouTube is very similar to television, but the main difference is that you, the viewer, have the ability and the option of interacting directly with any given channel. A company will pay YouTube to place ads in a creator's video. However, this can only happen once that person's channel has been viewed for over 4,000 hours and has subsequently been approved to be monetized. As of last week, my channel had only been watched for approximately 54 hours, so I still have a long ways to go before that can happen. So in this video, I will give you a tutorial on the smartphone, but first, let me take you into the computer lab for today's lesson. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you'll want to type in the name of the channel at the top of the screen. In this case, you'll type in Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. When you hit enter, it'll bring you to this screen, which shows a couple of my videos, but you'll want to select this one, which is Mona Lisa's Masterpieces, and it has my photo on it. Before you select it though, you'll notice to the right of the screen that there is a red subscribe button. You'll want to click on that and make sure that it's turned gray. Now when you select subscribe and it turned gray, it brings up a notification bell to the right. If you click on that, it gives you three options, whether you want no notifications, personalized notifications, or all. And I recommend that you select all to be alerted when I upload a new video. After you make the selection, it'll bring you to this screen, and at the top is a photo, which is the background photo for my channel. It'll have the name and it'll show you the number of subscribers that I have. It'll show you also a number of tabs here, and we're now on the home page. You also have a videos tab, playlist, channels, discussions, and about. If you click on about, that gives you a brief description of my channel and my mission statement. Channels is just a list of the channels that I have subscribed to. In discussions, since I'm not monetized as yet, that is basically non-existent. In playlists, you'll find three groups of videos which I've put together. The first one being my Spring 2020 DIY series. The second one is my Christmas playlist. And the third one is for cakes, cards, and crafts. Videos here will be where all of my videos are, and I have a total of 26 videos so far. In the video tab, you'll be able to select the video that you'd like to watch. When you click on the video, of course, this screen comes up with the pictures, and underneath the video you'll find the title and some extra details about the video itself. You'll also see how many views that it's had and the date that it was published. On this side you'll find the like button, thumbs down, a share button, and a save button. For the share button, you'll be able to share it by email or WhatsApp, and there are a couple of other options as well. For the save button, you can save it to watch the video later. Going further down below the video, you'll find the description of the video, and if you click on Show More, it'll give you all the details that I've entered about the video itself. It will show, for instance, any hashtags that I've listed, links for other videos, links for playlists, links for my social media accounts at Facebook, Instagram, and Poshmark. It will also show music credits and my disclaimer. Below the video description, you'll find the comment section, and you can see that someone has made a comment here, and if you would like to leave a comment, you will click where your account is, and then you can type in your comment or leave me a question. When the video has finished playing, on the bottom left corner of the video screen you'll see an arrow button, and if you click on that you'll be able to watch the video again. If you are watching from your smartphone, chances are that someone sent you a video link. In that case, you will click on the link and it will take you directly to the video. Otherwise, you will click on YouTube and it will bring up your home screen, which is indicated on the lower left. Before you click on any video, you will see some buttons at the bottom of the screen, and again is the home button. There's an explore button, subscriptions, inbox, and your library. You can go to the top and use the search button and type in the channel name, and it will bring you to this page. And again, it shows you the channel and a couple of the videos. So you'll click on the channel and it brings you to my home page, which shows again the name of the channel and the amount of subscribers, and it has a few channels listed below. Now here you will notice that I am subscribed from my personal channel, and I have clicked on my notification bell. At the top of the screen you will find the tabs again, and this is the home page, and here is the video tab, playlist, and channels, and if you slide across you will see the About tab. On the About tab is a short description about me and the channel and my mission statement. On the Channels tab is a list of channels that I have subscribed to. In the Playlist tab again are the 3 playlists that I've grouped together for my Spring DIY series, Christmas, cards, cakes, and crafts. And on videos is where all 26 of my videos are listed. So you would select the video that you'd like to watch, and under the video you will find the title and a brief description. Next to the title is an arrow down button. If you press on that, it will bring up the description of the video, and it of course says when it was published, and it gives you a description And again, it'll give you the hashtags, video links, links for playlists, social media links, the music credits, and my disclaimer. And if you'd like to minimize that, you would just go back up to the top and press the button again. You will see the thumbs up button, the thumbs down button, share, download, and save. You can see that I've already liked this video because it's highlighted in blue. Below those buttons is the comment section. So if you'd like to leave a comment, just click where it says add a public comment, and then you can type in your comment and hit enter. You can see that someone has left a comment here, and you can scroll down if there are more comments, read their comments, and like them as well. Usually you would turn the phone sideways to get the full view. And you'll notice that all of the buttons have disappeared, but that is not permanent. If you turn the screen back to portrait, you will see that the buttons are back there. If you were watching the video in landscape, at the end of the video, the buttons will appear at the bottom of the screen for the thumbs up, thumbs down, the share button, and the save button. And if you turn it portrait again, those same buttons are still there. So at any stage of the video, you can rotate it and give me a thumbs up. Also, at the end of the video, you will see an arrow button, and you can click that and watch the video again. Subscriptions is where the videos are for the people that I've subscribed to. So you can scroll through and make your selection. Or if you're looking for a particular one, you will select all at the top of the screen, and it will give you the list in alphabetical order. So there you can see from my personal account, I have subscribed to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. So I can click on that, and it'll bring me to the video page of Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. Inbox is where you'll find your messages and your notifications. If you gave someone a comment and they liked your comment, you will find it here. In library, you will see history. Under history, you'll see a list of all the videos that you've watched. Then you can go back to the top and press the arrow button and select watch later. And this is a list of all the videos that you've saved to watch another time.
Having subscribers and thumbs up and comments on my videos helps me to know what type of content that you're interested in. It also helps YouTube to notice that my channel is active. And based on your interaction with my channel, YouTube will recommend my videos to other viewers and also recommend similar videos to you. So class, I hope that today's lesson was helpful. Your homework assignment for the weekend is to go and watch all 26 of my videos. Make sure that you are subscribed to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces and click on the notification bell to be alerted when I upload a new video. Give each video a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions in the comment section below each video, and remember to share each video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, smile and create your own masterpiece today. A few people have messaged me directly and mentioned that the basic ways in which you can interact with my videos. I'll be explaining the main helps me to know what content that you like
Having subscribers